Welcome to Life Spark Poetry channel. Here every line brings meaning. Every pause holds emotion. Every word has the power to spark change. If these words touch your heart, please stay till the end of video. Because sometimes a single poem can light a spark that change everything. Please like and subscribe Life Spark Poetry channel. B is for becoming poet. 12B will show the way to becoming a poet. Be conscious of your audience. Blood must flow to think real words. Beats of the heart must guide the rhyme. Brave hands are needed to write the first line. Brain must gather words with care. Burn the mind till verses are rare. Brainstorm again, revise once more. Bold voice must rise, speak to many more. Begin again when lines fall apart. Balance the mind with the fire of heart. Breathe between words, give meaning space. Build your truth in verses bold. Be conscious of the audience you face. Every word should know its place. Before you write, before you start, listen closely to the human heart. Blood must flow to think word true, not borrowed line but thought from you. Write with life, with breath and flame, not empty ink chasing the fame. Beats in the heart must guide the rhyme. Let rhythm walk with sense and time. When the pulse is real, the line will done. Each verse will move one by one. Brave hands shake yet still write, even when the page is pure white. Fear will whisper not today. Courage picks the pen anyway. Brain must gather, connect and blend. Broken thoughts till pattern amend. Words are puzzles, loose and wide. Brain puts them side by side. Burn the mind to shape each verse. Feel the fire, the good and worse. True poems rise from heated believed, from battle fought and lessons skilled. Brainstorm storm still meanings stays. Rewrite nights and restless days. Cut the extra, sharpen the core. Great lines are born from editing mode. Be bold in voice, speak your sound. Let reality echo clear and round. Poem unsaid, still long to breathe and believe. Speak it aloud, let the silence leave. Be patient with the craft you hold. Skill grows slow, not bought or sold. One poem today, another tomorrow. Words heal joy and borrow the sorrow. Be present, honest, raw and kind. Write from soul, think others' mind. When heart and brain together move, every line has something to prove. Remember this path simple and true. Every bee begins with you. Be conscious, be brave, be bright. Be the voice that writes the day and night.